Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel QTech Information. So today we will learn about what is the differences between QA and QC in software testing. So before starting this video, if you are new for this channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. And if you like my video, then please like the video and also share this video to your friend or colleagues. So now start this video, the difference between QA and QC. So the first one is QA, that is quality assurance, and the QC is quality control. So let's move the next slide and understand the QA and what is this process, and then after we move to the QC and then understand the process of QC, quality control. Okay, and also the differences between QA and QC. So let's start. The first one is QA, quality assurance. What is this quality assurance? So quality assurance means it's like process oriented, and we define the process here. In this process we define the review process or incident management process. You learn this in software testing courses. And if you want more about this QA, so please comment in the comment box, and I prepare that videos for the QA or the review process or incident management process, or you want any videos, then I create that videos. For example, for the QA, it's verification, means we verify the review or process in this QA. Okay, QA means quality assurance. So we verify the any process in the software testing. Okay, so the differences, the main differences like QA and QC is in QA we do the process oriented, and we define here the process, and in QC we learn more in QC. So quality control. In quality control, that means QC in product oriented. Okay, in QA that is process oriented. Now in this QC is product oriented. So here we follow or execute that process, means the process we define in QA, we follow or execute that process in QC. So here we do the functional testing, integration testing, and system testing, and all type of testing here in QC. For example, we validate the process in QC. So suppose some review process is defined in QA, and that process is executed in the QC. So the main difference we learn in this QA and QC is QA is process oriented and QC is product oriented, and here we in QC we follow or execute the process, and QA we define the process. And in QC we do the testing, means we execute that process, or we do the testing here. And best example for QC is validation, and best example for QA is verification. So that's all. If you like my YouTube channel or video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.